You dumbass!
Alright, so what happened?
Charlie fucking...
I'm not making this
Who threw a rocket? What?
Bill and my cousin Charlie killed a baby bird by hitting it with
Charlie,
rocks.
I was just along with him because I was up his ass around the corner.
Bill.
That's
So
why he
what?
followed
What the hell?
Shit, he hasn't done it again.
Bill, you killed a bird? Did you shoot it?
Evie, why are you recording this shit?
That shit from you.
I was just
From
joking, you psycho ass.
You're psycho. You're psycho if you can do some crazy shit like that. Not me, mister.
Am I, Mrs.?
Yeah. Mr. Sir, I like to fuck up animals.
Mr. Sir, I like to fuck.
You're tripping, Candice. Go back to bed.
Bill needs to go back to his whores.
Alright.
STDs.
Herpes too with cycling?
AIDS and shit from fucking around.
I didn't even do anything, you asshole. What the fuck you being a bitch for?
You must with tea, Evan.
Fuck off with your gas.
Hey, did you know 1 in 4 African Americans
Don't care.
have HIV?
Don't care.
1 in 4.
Yeah, learn that shit off of fucking Feed the People, but you don't like that show.
Oh, fuck them bullshit people. They need to fucking go feed them damn selves.
Feed the what?
Bill sits here and makes me try to feel bad whenever I say something about
We
a
should
girl.
put Evie in a little baby bird costume and let her fall from the nest.
Ah, fuck you.
Steven
Steven looks like you've already been
Steven goes
squished.
just rock his ass for a while.
Evie goes, Evie looks like he's already been squished.
That's very sensitive. Oh, I think I got a text message.
Who is it, baby bird?
Mother.
Evie's
Like, better
mother.
be deleting those videos soon.
Good.
Better not see them.
When he's got his bat helmet on, he looks like, what's that guy's name from the Space Jam? The guy who's the
Oh,
referee?
Newman? He's in Space Jam.
Yeah, not him though.
Yeah, he is.
You know that Green Martian guy? Yeah, see?
Green Martian, that's
What's his name?
Newman.
You know that Green Martian guy? That's like saying, you know that Billy Ludwig guy? You're
You fucking...
Bill, did you have an insect
no, it's
going
not
earlier?
Marvin the Martian.
Nope.
Smelled like it.
Why?
Because whenever I tried to turn on the light over there by the fireplace, it smelled like an insect.
It ain't Green Martian, Bill. Tevin's the American troll.
Is it Green Martian?
What's his name?
Marvin,
The white one?
Marvin the Martian. Dude with the weird helmet that was like yellow and black. Yeah,
He
right.
had like
right.
a black face and he sees yellow eyes and this helmet.
Oh,
full of
I know
gospel
who he is,
sparkles.
dude. I just don't look like him.
When your bat helmet on, you're like, I don't know, who's that little green guy that used to fly around? He was like really little.
Probably that bird you
You
can.
know what I'm talking about? No, for you.
Yes, and he had a helmet on with big eyes.
Evie, you can't even
Or glasses.
Not even
see what's going on. All you see is his racing jacket.
Doesn't matter.
What the fuck is this?
Everyone's bitching at each other.
The whole time when you're arguing.
Get off me, dude. Go down. Get out of here.
They've got me held prisoner.
They got the truth on camera, right, Evie? Yeah. Woo!
A Bill killing the bird? Hold on. Let me get his face.
Take a good look at the criminal.
Where's the flashlight? I can't see. I need to take out your lighter. Take out your lighter, Bill. We need light.
You
Gone.
fuck with me, you know how bad I want to fuck with you.
I'm not gonna fuck with
I
you.
wanna fuck with you, boo.
Evie. Evie.
Huh?
Evie.
Huh?
Evie.
Huh?
Evie.
I'll be the leader of prison. Or I'll be the. We should have an investigation. And
Leader
I'll be
of
the
prison?
Investigator.
Hey, you
Right hand up.
Ah.
Do it.
Well, he kind of got his face.
You're my prison bitch.
Blah blah blah.
Bitch.
You
I'll
promised
never let you go.
Yes. I promise
Did you or did you not kill a baby bird?
I was like, I don't
Hey,
well,
did you
no,
or did you didn't?
I did not.
No,
Did
he,
he-
no,
hey,
he
hey,
stuttered. He
hold on.
stuttered. I object.
Hold, you gotta wait your turn. I'm the damn judge. You put the camera down. Okay.
Huh, motherfucker?
Did you or did you not hit it with a rock?
I did
Hit
not
it,
hit
not
with the
throw
rock.
it. Now hit it. Now hit it.
The baby was laying
Did you
alright.
or did you not
Listen,
hit it?
I was the first one to touch.
Hey, I'm gonna let her talk. Look, you gotta let me. You gotta give me a did you or did you not answer?
No, I can
Hit it to the right.
I didn't hit it.
Did you
You're
throw
happy
a
because
rock?
you got a new hit.
I
Did
eject.
you even touch it?
Line.
I was
Touch
doing
it
like,
with
you
a
know how
rock.
it's up,
Losing
like,
it with a rock?
yeah, like
Okay,
the
okay.
secret
Where's
box.
Cuevas' ass been? He's
What
gone.
did you see in the match?
Down in
East LA.
St.
Brother
Mary's.
hit it with a
It's
rock.
what?
We
East
don't
LA.
need that language.
Object, Your Honor. She's fucking. This happened so many
Object.
times, she can't remember.
Well, I
gonna
remember
go post
because it
this
hurt
somewhere.
my arm so bad, Bill, that you could freaking.
Yeah, but she was older. so
Bill's
she had
ass
that
got
in mind.
fucked.
She did it. I'm
Yes,
alright.
Tom, Bill, I'm 2 years older.
If you were
Yeah,
seven,
somehow
she
you're
was
fucking
nine.
dumb as a box of rocks.
Really? Apparently you are.
I got better grades than you when you were 8th grade. I
That's
got
why
better grades than you
the
every year.
ding judge has made his ruling.
No, you did.
God damn.
I heard both sides of the story.
Yeah, what the fuck are you doing?
Big
Billy, you're the jury, dude. What's the call?
Alright.
Yebe, would you
About the
fucking
bird.
stop, dude? Literally, you're not a fucking cameraman. Turn the shit off, you weird